So how to make your subscriptions public, because if you are going to make it private, the channels that you subscribe to will not be able to see your names or channels names on their list. So better that you set it to public subscription. So how are you going to do that? Let's go to Chrome Beta or Google Chrome and type youtube.com. Say for example, youtube.com. That one. And then make sure to click this picture, your picture here. And then you go to settings. And then you go to history and privacy. So keep scrolling, and then you will see here, keep all my subscriptions private. So if you are going to check that your subscriptions is already private, so the channel that you subscribe will not be able to see your channel's name. But if you make it to public, then you should have to untick that one. So you should not make it blue or turn on. So keep all my save playlist private. So you should not turn that on. So that's it. That's how simple it is to make your subscriptions private. So in my previous video, I have 11 subscribers, but I only see 2 of them because the rest are not making their subscriptions into public. So that's how you're going to make it public. So I hope you have learned something from here. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you can subscribe in my YouTube channel and comment as well. Also click the notification bell all so that you will be updated in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.